Today we're checking back in with Decentraland's main coin Mana, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Mana go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the Mana chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Mana or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But interestingly enough, it looks like my prediction yesterday was wrong, and Mana has actually bounced back a lot quicker than I expected. But in saying that, it has dipped now back down to, after yesterday's nice little high over here of $3.44. Sorry. It has now dipped back down to a low today, which has hit $3.06. We're now currently sitting at about $3.14. So all in all, things aren't, I suppose, looking the best, but it is performing significantly better than many other coins at the moment. If you saw my Ethereum video, which has just come out as well, you'll see that Ethereum has been coughing it. It is dropping, and it is dropping in a significant way. Now, touching back on this, interestingly enough, look at this buying volume compared to what we've seen in previous days. This is the biggest, I suppose, volume day since we saw on the 4th of December, and it was basically allowing us to bounce off this key point of support that we had here at $2.68 roughly, bounce back up. We're now back above our other support point, $3.11. Hopefully we maintain that. I ideally hope we will maintain that. Otherwise, I think we will be going down and we'll be doing that bit of a pattern that we saw previously. Alternatively though, let's get rid of this trend line. Pretty useless at the moment now, I think, and move up. I suppose I'd suggest there's another point of resistance here where we've bounced off a few times. So I'd expect to see sideways action between, at the very lowest point, $2.67, all the way up to potentially over here, $3.43. That's where I'd expect to start seeing a bit of consolidation occur. In saying that, big moves from Mana as opposed to a lot of other coins we have seen on the market not having such big moves. Also, we could mention that potentially there is, a bear trap forming. That is possible. Nice little pump, and then you're going to see a dump occur. That is also feasible. So just keep your eyes peeled with this one, guys. The key point to remember is we need to maintain above our key support point here at $2.67 if we are to maintain at least some sort of horizontal trajectory at this point in time. Let's bring in a few more indicators. RSI, that'll be an interesting one today. As you can see, yes, it had a nice little spike up, but it's still below the 50 mark. We're sitting at 45.24 at this point in time, so room for it to move upwards if it did want to move upwards. So all in all, looking relatively good from that perspective. MACD getting a bit closer. This red period we've seen is very, very shallow. So that's good news because our green period, which was shorter, was also shallow as well. But what we want to see is that obviously 12-day EMA coming up and crossing back above our 26-day EMA in that sort of a fashion right there. That would be the ideal outcome for us and signal a potential move upwards, maybe into another one of these bands, maybe above the $3.43 mark, into the band of $3.43 to up here $3.82. So that would be ideal case scenario, but waiting for the cross to occur, still very, very close at this point in time. Not seeing a sell-off, I'd say, of Mana as we are seeing with a few other coins. So all in all, looking pretty good. That wraps up our analysis on Mana today, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis, do leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.